talked to some of my students and I asked them to provide me some words of wisdom about listening to student voice. Just want to read you some of the things that they actually said. One of the students said, listening to the student voice is vital to the success of the world as we know it. The youth of today's society is the future of tomorrow, and neglecting their voice and opinion is equivalent to neglecting the inevitability evolution of the world. And that was from Tyler Hagen, giving permission. Another one said, if you believe in education, democracy, or the betterment of society, then it is imperative that you listen to student voices. Because when you give students a voice and a platform to speak, you will find that they believe in the future as much as you do. And that's from Bailey Wilson. And then the last one that I got was, to learn and be understood are two basic human needs that can be met through listening. That is why it is an integral part for both students and educators to listen to each other. And then the changing of the world around them begins. And that's for Wiley Allen. Wait, I got one more. It says, while many people easily diminish the importance of student voices because we are not old enough to vote or haven't experienced aspects of the real world, this is in fact far from the truth. The decisions politicians, teachers, and leaders make today create the future of the youth will soon live in. Therefore, by listening to the ideas, concerns, and the insights of young people, world leaders can create a viable, sustainable future for the generations to come. And that's a powerful piece from the words of students today who believe not only in their own voices, but feel that it is imperative that you listen to their voices. And once the listening begins, we begin to amplify it and then act upon it. And that's when the real world changing begins.